American luxury just declared all-out war on European dominance. And the target on the back of the Range Rover SV and Mercedes Maybach's GLS has never been larger. For decades, the Eldorado name stood as the undisputed pinnacle of Detroit prestige before vanishing into the history books. But Cadillac just pulled off the most aggressive resurrection in modern automotive history by bringing the Eldorado nameplate back. Not as a boulevard cruiser coupe, but as an ultra-exclusive, hyper-luxurious super SUV engineered to completely annihilate its foreign rivals. This is a breathtaking statement of raw power and uncompromised grandeur, packing a jaw-dropping, twin-turbocharged powerhouse that leaves conventional high-performance V8s gasping for air. Yet, beneath all this breathtaking craftsmanship and terrifying road presence lies a shocking flaw. A hidden catch buried deep within its engineering that could completely destroy Cadillac's dream of taking down the European elite. Stay tuned, because we will reveal that game-changing deal-breaker at the very end of this review, and it changes everything you thought you knew about this revival. From the second this machine rolls into view, it commands total authority over the asphalt. The design language is an uncompromising blend of retro-futuristic aggression and classic American swagger. Up front, a massive illuminated crest sits embedded in a sculpted wide-body fascia, flanked by Cadillac's iconic vertical LED light blades that slice through the dark like diamonds. The muscular bodywork stretches out with ultra-clean, sculpted lines, cascading down to a set of massive 24-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in high-performance rubber. At the rear, the legendary Eldorado nomenclature is proudly displayed across a full-width illuminated light bar, suspended above an aggressive carbon fiber rear diffuser and flush quad exhaust tips that scream pure performance. Step inside the cabin, and you are immediately enveloped in an environment that makes traditional luxury SUVs look completely obsolete. Hand-stitched deep burgundy leather covers every visible surface, paired seamlessly with open-pore wood inlays and genuine brushed metal accents throughout. Dominating the dashboard is a breathtaking 55-inch curved glass display that stretches pillar to pillar, integrating advanced augmented reality navigation and next-generation infotainment. Rear seat passengers are treated to a true executive lounge experience, complete with power reclining captain's chairs, massaging functions, individual high-definition entertainment screens, and a center console equipped with fold-out marble tables and a custom crystal decanter set. Under the sculpted hood lies the heart of this beast. A monstrous powertrain tuned to deliver effortless, locomotive-like acceleration that launches this heavyweight titan from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds. Combined with magnetic ride control and an advanced adaptive air suspension system, it glides over rough tarmac as if floating on a cloud, while maintaining razor-sharp body control through tight corners. It is the ultimate fusion of absolute comfort and violent performance. If you believe American luxury is officially back to reclaim its throne from Europe, go ahead and hit that like button right now. And make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss another exclusive deep dive into the world's most insane vehicles. When you put the Eldorado SUV head-to-head against the Range Rover SV or the Mercedes Maybach GLS, the difference in philosophy becomes instantly apparent. While the Europeans rely on subtle, understated elegance and familiar design tropes, Cadillac went completely unhinged with bold styling, raw horsepower, and cutting-edge tech like the latest generation of Super Cruise hands-free driving. The active rear-wheel steering allows this massive SUV to maneuver through tight city streets with the agility of a sports sedan, while dual laminated acoustic glass isolates the cabin into a dead-silent luxury sanctuary. However, all of this staggering performance and ultra-luxurious theater brings us straight back to that massive catch we teased at the start. To achieve this level of unprecedented power and bespoke craftsmanship, Cadillac made a decision that is going to outrage die-hard fans and prospective buyers alike. The Eldorado SUV is not only priced at a staggering $250,000, putting it out of reach for almost everyone, but Cadillac is restricting global production to just a few hundred hand-built units available exclusively through an invite-only reservation list. Worse yet, because of the bespoke hyper-luxury components and specialized platform, early owners face astronomical long-term maintenance costs and devastating first-year depreciation that could cost buyers over $50,000 the exact second they drive it off the dealership lot. Cadillac built the ultimate Range Rover killer, but only if your wallet can survive the carnage.